A popular drink, often labeled as healthy, might not be as beneficial as many of us assume, and this revelation could change how you think about your daily diet. The British Heart Foundation has raised important concerns that these beverages, commonly enjoyed for their supposed health benefits, don't provide the same advantages as eating whole, unprocessed fruits and vegetables. But here's where it gets controversial. Many people believe blending fruits into smoothies is a straightforward way to get a nutritious boost. Yet the reality is more complex. When fruit is blended, the natural sugars stored within the fruit cells are released and transformed into what nutrition experts call free sugars. These sugars are chemically identical to those added to processed foods and soft drinks. Excessive consumption of free sugars is linked to weight gain and other health problems. Which means that despite the fruit origins, smoothies can contribute to these issues, just like sugary sodas. This is the part most people miss when they assume a smoothie is always a better option than, say, a fizzy drink. That said, not all smoothies are created equal. Homemade smoothies generally contain less sugar and more fiber than many store-bought versions laden with hidden sugars and additives. For anyone aiming to make a healthier choice, preparing your own smoothie at home is preferable, allowing you to carefully control the ingredients. Nutritionists suggest combining protein sources like Greek yogurt, nut butters, or protein powder with a mix of fruits, leafy greens, and a liquid base such as milk or water. This balance can help moderate blood sugar spikes and keep you fuller longer. Jordan Spivak, a dietitian at Sibley Memorial Hospital, emphasizes the importance of personalized advice, explaining that fruit contains carbohydrates that affect blood glucose levels differently depending on individual health needs. He recommends consulting with a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate carbohydrate intake tailored to your lifestyle and metabolic requirements. Portion control also plays a critical role. The British Heart Foundation advises limiting smoothie servings to around 150 milliliters. As many commercially prepared options available at supermarkets or cafes significantly exceed this volume. Because blending fruits reduces their fiber content, smoothies tend to be less satisfying and easier to consume in larger quantities, potentially leading to unintentional overconsumption of calories and sugars. A practical tip is to share a smoothie with someone else or save part of it for later to avoid exceeding the recommended portion size. It might surprise some to learn that, despite packing several different kinds of fruits and vegetables into a single smoothie, it only counts as one recommended portion toward the daily 5-a-day target set by health authorities such as the NHS. This highlights that even with smoothies, variety and quantity do not automatically translate to the expected nutritional benefits. When it comes to beverage choices, the British Heart Foundation ranks water at the top for hydration and health benefits, followed by unsweetened hot drinks like tea or coffee, and then sugar-free options such as diet colas and squash drinks. In contrast, drinks like ice cream milkshakes, hot chocolates, and energy drinks are considered the worst for your health. For example, a typical regular ice cream milkshake can contain twice as many calories as a similarly sized full-sugar cola. And if you add extras like chocolate or biscuits, the calorie count climbs even higher. This comparison raises important questions. Should we continue to view milkshakes and sugary smoothies as benign treats, or is it time to reconsider their place in a healthy diet? What do you think? Are smoothies an easy way to boost your fruit intake? Or should we be more cautious about their hidden sugars? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.